Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily change your temperature. So if you want to change it from degrees by Celsius to degrees by Fahrenheit. So for doing this you just need to turn your key one time, and after you will see the settings. If you don't see it, just click this button until you will see this settings, and after just click here. So just click here, and after you will see the settings, and just again click this button, and after you will see this temperature indicator, and here you can see that now it's in Celsius, and here on the right side you can see Fahrenheit. So you just need to choose Fahrenheit, so just click on plus, and now you can see that it changed to Fahrenheit. If you want to change it to Celsius, just click again on this button on minus, and it will get to Celsius. And now just go back, and it will successfully save your settings. So let's check it. So let's go back. So just write to the settings, and just again this, and here you can see that it successfully changed. So everything's working.